Let's practice some hula hands. I'm going to teach you 3 moves. The first one is going to be with one hand. The second one is going to be with one arm up. And the third one is going to be with 2 hands. We're just gonna do arms today, no footwork. So the movement here is soft. It's coming towards your lips. Our fingertips are together. Our thumb is slightly hiding here. We don't stick it out. Fingertips remain together. And the movement comes from the wrist. Our elbow is up, shoulder relaxed. And we bring in, when we're bringing in, we pull the fingers back. And then we soften out. And we bring the hand down. And the other part too, it comes in. So notice how my hand is backwards and not pointing towards my lips, right? It's away, and then as it comes near my lips, it releases. And then we turn it down, and it goes down, right? So this is number 1, down. Number 1 hand motion. Now let's do the number 2. We have one arm out. It's pointing out. Let me back. It's pointing to the outside. It can also be pointing to the inside. But let's keep it pointing to the outside right now. And we bring our hand to the lips. Remember, elbow up and out. 45-degree angle, meaning we don't open all the way to here. 45-degree angle, turns down, and we switch. Now this one comes to the lips and out. Again. To the lips, out, turns, to the lips and out. You can also leave the palms facing in. It will be the same thing, except we leave this palm facing up as we switch up. So feel the unrollment of your hand, right? Imagine that you can feel the air, that you can touch the air, or that you're underwater. So you want to have that softness of the motion. So whatever helps you more with your visuals, right? That you're caressing the air, or that you're underwater. You want to have that softness. Now the third one is to your lips, out, and it comes slightly to the right and then slightly to the left. And it is the same form. When the arms are coming towards you, your palms are facing outwards, right? You're bringing them in. You're not poking it in. You bring them in. And as they reach near your lips, you extend and let them unroll all the way. So we're doing one to the right side. So the arm is out at a 45-degree angle and the other one is shoulder height. And then we do the other side. And now we have the outer arm open at a 45-degree angle and the other one shoulder level, right? So you can try this with doing hula steps if you want to. We're going to do the kaholo if you're familiar with this. I'm not teaching you how to do kaholo in this video, but if you're already familiar with it, let's go ahead and try it. Otherwise, just do your hands. We're going to begin with the single one. And let's begin. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try with our arms up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next one is with our 2 hands. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for doing hula hands with me, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!